Good morning, everyone, and let's attach our ProFit clamps to the roll cage. You'll probably find your clamp assembled like this out of the box. You're going to need to loosen these bolts to get the back piece off. Take the large part of the clamp and put it against the corresponding part of the cage like so. Return the back piece to the main part of the clamp and tighten the bolts back in. It's helpful if you use a wrench at the end, but you can use your fingers for most of the process. Make sure that this plane of the clamp is being pulled slightly towards you as you tighten it up. Apply enough outward pressure to this plane to allow the backing plate to slide past the roll cage. If you don't do this, it's easy for the clamp to be installed in a way that doesn't leave enough room for the main mirror bolt to be installed. Once it's fully tightened up, you'll see that it's a perfect fit. Nice and secure. Now you can finish the process with this main mirror bolt and install your mirrors in a jiffy. Thanks! Have a great day.